everyone. It's Blake.
I'm Daisy.
This is Daisy, and apparently you're watching Teacher Feature.
Where's Blaine?
Blaine's in China.
Okay, so you're Blake, right?
Mm-hmm.
Welcome, Blake.
Thanks.
Okay, so...
Oh, that's right. Blaine told me what I needed to say. So if you want us to react to your photo, then you should hashtag, apparently,
Teacher
Feature. And if you want to watch other videos, then you should click something like, I think, subscribe.
Yes, subscribe, please.
Yeah, okay. Great. Can we get this over with?
I'm ready.
Great.
Let's do it.
Sure.
Wow, can you share the link? I want to make the Blaine.
Okay. Blaine is back.
You're back. Oh, I'm so excited.
It's so cute.
Yes.
So I think this is a little Bonnie, and look, it's all the little characters. I want to know who made this though, because Etsy is like a share website.
I think it's an online store.
It is. Etsy is an online store, but there's somebody who it's like a work share website where people make these and then they can sell their creations online. Like you can make candles, you can do anything and sell it on Etsy. So let's look. I want to know who did this because
I don't know. Can you make a Blaine for me?
Very talented.
Thank you. I am actually Daisy Mermaid today.
Lies. But, however, thank goodness I see your classrooms over there because this picture looks like you'd be teaching in the bed. No, don't do that.
And this is, I think, don't panic, this is a placeholder class. And you know what? I'm a little bit missing Blake at this moment.
Hi.
Hi.
Take a workshop.
Go ahead.
Take a workshop because it will help you understand that it's just a placeholder and it's just something that you do and you're not really going to teach a 1-year-old. So yeah.
Thank you, Blake.
Fun stuff.
Thank you. I have a question. Are you Blaine or Blake at this moment, please? Okay, Blake.
Yeah.
Do you have any idea about refuel?
I think that it means to take care of yourself, nourish your body, drink your water, drink your coffee, and be ready for class.
Yes, genius. Very close. It's kind of like a pit stop, you know? You need more energy and thank you for your hard working before. Keep going like that.
Hey, isn't our YouTube channel called The Magic Years Pit Stop?
Yes, pit stop.
So you can also refuel by watching our videos and subscribing.
Please.
It looks like a dragon head attached to a hot dog.
Yes, looks like a hot dog.
But good, nice effort.
I feel confusing. Blake or Blake?
Daisy, do you know how to dab?
I don't know what's that mean.
So it's like sneezing in your elbow. Like this. Achoo!
Huh?
Like that.
Achoo!
Yeah. Achoo!
Achoo!
1, 2, 3. Achoo! Like that.
I like that frog. Well, I actually want to say this is a kind of like universal props that I can use for every class. Like, bingo! And,
What am I doing right now?
thinking face.
Oh, here's a video about thinking face.
Yes!
On our channel is the Heroes Roadmap, our first episode, so definitely go check that out.
Yes.
There's a link down below.
Learn more about thinking
Yeah,
face.
Heroes Roadmap, episode 1, Thinking Face. So at our Atlanta meetup, I may or may not have given away all of my props.
Yes.
Maybe. But, however, I would definitely want to buy like maybe 100 of these and just hide them all around the office.
Because we're bunny! We're bunny!
We love Bunny!
Yes. Bunny love carrots.
This chicken, I want to say.
Funny.
This chicken
Funny.
looks like something that you ain't gonna want to mess with. Like, you don't want to be plucking those feathers anytime soon. Because if you do, that thing might pluck out your eyes. What do you think, Daisy?
Funny. Wow.
I love Amber.
Me too.
Amber, congratulations. 5,000 students. That's so many!
Yes.
That's
Do you remember refuel we mentioned before?
Yeah.
Do you want to learn the Chinese one?
Yeah.
Say 加油.
Yeah, yo.
Oh, perfect. Amber, 加油. Well done.
Yay. Well, that concludes it. That's everything. It's over. It's done.
Wow.
We did it. So, thank you so much for watching. We are very happy that you made it through to the end. We're very appreciative. Again, if you want us to react to your photos,
Hashtag teacher featured.
yes, in the family group.
Yes.
And
I think Blake maybe need to come back and say bye-bye to everyone.
okay. So there's this button. Look down right now. Right there. See? There's a button that says subscribe. You can click it and subscribe if you want to, but it's whatever.
Okay. Bye-bye everyone. See you next Friday.
Bye!